Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up one of these wallets that keeps you from scanning your credit cards and stuff, put out by EASTNIGHTS. We're going to open this up and show you how to use it. Put your credit cards and stuff like that in there. Stay with us. Well, here it is. Easy Nights. This is a RFID credit card blocking wallet. Let's see how it does here. Comes in a nice little box. Here we go. Little opening right here on the front. Says it's stainless steel. There we go. It's got a place for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 cards. Put a card right in here like so. You could put your driver's license in here. Lay one down right there, either one. This is stainless steel. It's not the aluminum or plastic like some of them are. So this should be a lot stronger. Hang around a little more. Closes up like this. It's pretty small. Look at that. It's maybe 1/2 inch thick by about 3 1/2, 3 3/4 by about 2 1/2 or something. A button on the front. Once again, push that button. It opens up right here. It's like that. I guess you could put money right in here. Fold up your money like a money clip. Put it right there. Your credit cards will fit right there. Ta-ding! Hold it up. That way people can't scan it as they walk by you and get your credit card numbers and stuff, okay? Pretty good little item. I like this. It's not real big. It'll fit in your pocket a whole lot better. Look at this. Fitting right in your pocket. So I think I'm going to start carrying this one. I've got one that's a little bigger that you saw on TV. Go check it out. And it's a lot bigger. I think I like this smaller one here. Don't hold quite as many cards, but it's a whole lot smaller. And it is stainless steel, it says. Hear that? That's it. Push a little button right there. Ding! It opens right there. Credit card fits right in there like that. Ding! And closes up. There it is. I think I'm going to like this. May have to start carrying this one. You don't need to see my credit card numbers, so okay. Comes in a little box, small box. It's pretty nice. It says RFID credit card holder, debit ATM card. So check it out. We'll get this going. Start carrying this little guy, okay? I guess if you want to carry money in it, you could take your money like this. This is an old $2 bill. I have a bunch of those. Fold it up, fold it again like so, and it would slip right down in one of those little pockets, just like that. See there? Put your credit card in up here, like so. Money, credit card, rolls up, just like that. Push the button, it opens. Credit card, money. $2 bill, look at that. 1976 $2 bill. My wife collects a bunch of these. She has a bunch of them. There it is. Fold that little guy up. It's like that. There it is. All right, we picked this up on Amazon. There's a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. Pretty nice little item. Only sells for about $10, so go check it out. Keep people from scanning your credit cards and getting all your money. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.